That's a Prado?
That is a Prado, mate.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, Built Prado. Today we're doing a sound deadener install video, so we're going to run you through how we installed it. I got some voiceover, some photos I'm going to show you, and then hopefully gives you a good guide on how to do it yourself. So watch the video and then we'll show you how to do it. So here's what the boxes look like. Sound deadener, now this one's been cut up because we're using it as a thing to cut on. But pretty much you open here as a protective layer so you don't cut it underneath. And then this is what the sheets are like. Now it's almost like a lead material, like you can actually bend and fold this. But yeah, they're quite nice and they've got little papers on the side so the adhesive doesn't stick to walls and stuff. So that's, and you get, well my pack came with 2 of these at 1.8 meters squared. So I've got this one and then I got 2 more in this box here. Now this is the install kit box you get. It's very nice, very beautiful package layout. And I already used the tape, but there was the roll of tape. And then you got your sticker, stub your holder, your roller, which is what you definitely need. And the reason that's all like that is because you actually use the back of this to push into the dents of the sheet, into the grooves of the car. And then you just got like bottle opener, good knife, and then heaps of this is just full of blades, as you can see there. So yeah, that all comes with the set. So now we're gonna start taking out the carpet. I've just started taking out the floor mats and a bit of like mud and dirt everywhere, and then we're gonna be able to see what's underneath and we can start applying the sound deadener. Now I'm planning to just do this front section here, not so much the back, and maybe the doors as well. This is the carpet coming out, and as you can see there's lots of mud everywhere from the bog hole. I feel like I'm saying that all the time, but yeah, there you go. So now we're just getting to laying the floor. Now 2 sheets this way works better. One will be up here and one, as you can see there in the photo. And I didn't bother putting sheets up there because there's a black mat already up there for heat shielding, so I just left that there, just went around it like that. And here you can see we're starting to go around the seat. There's that foam thing in the floor and I couldn't pull it out, so I just figured it'd be best to cut around it. So that's what I've done there. And as you can see there's a little square there and back there, which I filled in later because I just wanted to get all the B sheets down first. And then here's another photo now of progress. So we've done the top of the middle row chair there, and we've done this back area over here. All these little middle bits like through the middle here, and these corners I filled in later just because it's easier that way. And then here's just a little cut I did around that little bit there, just attention to detail. Oh, this is good video. That slots in there like that perfectly. So just thought that was a really nice cut there. And then yeah, this is pretty much it fully done now. So a few hours later, this is what we're looking like. Bit of a rough job, but pretty much all the pads are on, and then we've got the tape on as well. And I've just left the parts for the chair holes where a chair will go. And then yeah, the front I've just got 2 either side. That works really well. And then for here, I actually went diagonally that way. And then from here, these 3 fit perfect length to there, because I won't do under there because of the shelf and fridge over there. So now it's coming along nicely. So now, oh, and how good is that cut around there? So now we're going to be putting these big boxes here on, which is it's pretty much the material that goes over this, and then the factory carpet will go on top of that. So yeah, we'll see how we go. Alright guys, we're back. We're getting the floor on now, and you can sort of see we've had to do heaps of the slits and stuff. Now I know you meant to actually fill all these in, I'm pretty sure, so we might get to do that. And then we've just sort of cut these out, and because this needs to go down here, this is moving, so you just need to allow for that. And I've done my side over here, and Bailey's just doing that side over there, and we've done all the holes in here, so we just need to get that one over there done, and then we should be able to put the carpet back on. So now we're going to put the carpet in. We've just laid it back in here, and this will be a nightmare to get in because we're going to line up all the clips, all the holes, and lay it all out. And we could be here for hours, but we'll see how we go.
Yeah, good on your mat. Cheers, mate. Yep.
That was a battle. Alright guys, so we got the dog part off finally. That took forever. Don't judge, it's muddy from the bog hole that happened like a year ago. But pretty much what we're going to do is we're going to try and take away this plastic sheeting here as best we can, keeping the factory adhesive on. And then we're going to get the sheets and we're going to try and slide them up in the hole. And the more sheets we get in there, the better, because we're trying to avoid this. You hear that? That's what we're trying to stop. So we're going to put the sheets in and yeah, we'll see how it goes. So this is what it's like inside. We've got one panel back there, one here. And now I'm just going to get my roller and you just sort of start rolling it down, getting it nice and firm really into the crevices, making sure it sticks on. So I'll do this and then when I come back it'll be all done. So I've put all the plastic back over there as best I can. Now here's the door. As you can see, just absolute mud damage everywhere, and it's been taken off before by someone else, because if you look at all this dodgy glue repairs, so you know, I guess it just depends. Make sure your car that you buy hasn't been ripped apart before. But we're going to try and put this back on now. It should be pretty simple. You should just be able to hook it over the, first try and get this through, and then just hook this over the pin like so. And that's pretty much it. Alright guys, it's a bit dirty, but doors are back on now, nice and secure, and it's pretty hard to tell if it's actually quieter or not, but once we do all 4 doors, we'll definitely know for sure. So yeah, pretty much repeat this process for all 4 doors, just keeping in mind that that front driver's one will probably have a bit more electronics in the way for the window switch. But yeah, just follow that and you do all of them. So that's nice how it is and done. So yeah, on to the next door. Alright guys, that's the end of the video. Thanks for watching. That's how we installed the car builder's Deadener. But let us know if you have any questions and we can help you out as best we can. So thanks for watching and we'll catch you guys in the next one.